Indoor Herb Gardens, a beginner's comprehensive guide. The value of indoor herb gardens. Indoor herbs are small but mighty plants, perfectly suited for indoor life. While some plants, like giant rosemary, are better suited for outdoor growth due to their size, the majority of herbs thrive indoors. This means you can have fresh, aromatic foliage at your fingertips, ready to enhance your favorite recipes year-round. The fragrance of lush, growing herbs adds a delightful sensory experience to any home environment. Historically, indoor herb gardening was considered the domain of advanced growers, requiring specialized knowledge and experience. However, this guide will break down every step, trick, and tip for caring for these amazing plants, making indoor herb gardening accessible to everyone, regardless of their gardening experience. Why start an indoor herb garden? Growing your own herbs comes with a plethora of benefits that go beyond just having fresh ingredients at your disposal. Firstly, it's cost-effective. The initial investment in soil, containers, and seeds or starter plants quickly pays off when compared to the ongoing cost of buying pre-cut herbs from the store. Moreover, store-bought herbs often come in lifeless, listless bubble packs that lack the vibrancy and flavor of freshly cut, homegrown herbs. When you grow your own herbs, you always have the freshest ingredients on hand. This eliminates the frustration of changing your recipes last minute due to missing or poor quality stock. Fresh herbs enhance the flavor of your dishes, making meals more enjoyable and encouraging healthier eating habits. You'll find yourself tailoring your meal choices to incorporate the herbs you're growing, resulting in a more varied and nutritious diet. There are also numerous psychological and physiological benefits to having greenery indoors. Plants have been shown to reduce stress, improve air quality, and create a more relaxing atmosphere. When these plants are edible and contribute to your culinary creations, it's a win-win situation. Essential requirements for growing indoor herbs. 1. Soil. The foundation of a healthy indoor herb garden is quality soil. Herbs thrive in loose, airy, nutrient-rich soil that drains well but retains enough moisture. It's crucial to avoid the temptation of using outdoor compost or garden soil, no matter how lovely it may seem. Bringing outdoor soil indoors can lead to severe pest outbreaks, as the natural selective pressures that keep pests in check outdoors are absent indoors. To ensure your herbs have the best start, use a quality potting mix designed for indoor container gardening. You won't need much, and the investment is minimal compared to the benefits. 2. Watering. Proper watering is essential for a vibrant, healthy indoor herb garden. Overwatering is the single biggest cause of failure for indoor plants, especially for beginner gardeners. The key is to keep the soil moist without waterlogging the roots. This can be challenging since indoor plants are always in sight, tempting us to water them frequently. Remember, a little bit of water goes a long way. For best results, scale back the watering to weekly or even less, depending on the plant's needs. 3. Light. Light is a critical factor for indoor herb gardens. Most herbs require at least 6 hours of full-spectrum light daily to thrive. For many, a sunny window will suffice. However, if natural light is insufficient, you can supplement with artificial grow lights. Advances in LED technology have made supplemental lighting more affordable, efficient, and effective. LED grow lights come in various shapes, sizes, and wattages, making it easy to find one that suits your needs. 4. Containers. Choosing the right containers is crucial for the success of your indoor herb garden. Containers must have drainage holes to allow excess water to escape, preventing waterlogging and root rot. Surprisingly, even stores specializing in gardening often sell containers without drainage holes. If your chosen container lacks them, it's easy to make your own. Drill quarter-inch holes spaced 3 to 4 inches apart. The size of the container depends on your planting strategy. Herbs can grow remarkably well in small pots due to their efficient fibrous root systems. Larger containers are ideal if you plan to mix several herbs together, as most herbs have similar growing requirements. Planting and growing tips. Starting your indoor herb garden can be done with seeds, plugs, or small starter plants. Each method has its advantages. Seeds. Starting from seeds gives you a wide variety of herb options and can be very rewarding. Pre-soak the soil before planting to improve moisture retention. Most herb seeds should be sown shallowly, usually a ½ inch deep or less. Follow the planting depth instructions on the seed package. Once the seeds sprout, thin them to avoid overcrowding. Plugs and starter plants. These are young plants that have already germinated and grown a bit. They can be transplanted directly into your containers. This method is faster than starting from seeds and reduces the risk of failure. Space your plants appropriately, generally giving each herb about 16 square inches of space. Consider modular planting for easier maintenance and flexibility. This approach allows you to mix and match different herbs, replacing spent plants without disturbing the entire garden. It also enables you to tailor your garden to your culinary needs and preferences. Harvesting and maintenance. Harvesting herbs is one of the most enjoyable aspects of indoor gardening. It's essential to wait until the plants have multiple sets of true leaves before starting to harvest. This ensures the plants are well established and can continue to grow vigorously after harvesting. Regular pruning promotes growth and extends the plant's productive life. By cutting back the plants, you encourage them to produce more foliage and delay the flowering process, which can alter the taste of the leaves. The general rule of thumb is to take no more than 1/3 of the leaves or stems at a time. Some herbs, like chives and oregano, can tolerate more aggressive harvesting. Using low-dose organic fertilizers can support growth and prevent excessive flowering. A fertilizer slightly higher in nitrogen is preferred, as it encourages foliar growth without stimulating too much flowering. Fertilize after every harvest, which also doubles as a watering session. Top indoor herbs to grow. Basil. Basil is the #1 indoor herb for a reason. It thrives at room temperature and is easy to propagate from cuttings. Basil plants benefit from regular harvesting, which encourages bushier growth. With proper care, basil can produce abundant leaves year-round. Cilantro. Also known as coriander, cilantro prefers cooler temperatures and is easy to germinate. It performs best at moderate temperatures and needs to be harvested regularly to prevent bolting. Fresh cilantro adds a vibrant flavor to many dishes. Rosemary. Rosemary is best propagated from cuttings rather than seeds, as it can take a long time to grow from seed. It tolerates a range of indoor conditions and can thrive with minimal care. Dwarf varieties are especially suited for indoor growth. Thyme. Thyme is another versatile herb that grows well indoors. It can be started from seeds or cuttings and retains its flavor even when dried. Thyme is relatively low maintenance and adds a subtle, earthy flavor to dishes. Chives. As a member of the onion family, chives sprout quickly and grow vigorously. They can be harvested frequently, making them a reliable addition to your indoor garden. Chives add a mild onion flavor to dishes and are perfect for garnishing. Arugula. Arugula performs best in temperatures below 70 degrees Fahrenheit. It grows quickly and can be harvested in as little as 5 weeks. Arugula's peppery flavor enhances salads and sandwiches. Oregano. Oregano is often underrated as an indoor herb. It's easy to grow from seeds, cuttings, or divisions, and provides a robust, slightly spicy flavor. Fresh oregano is less common than dried, but it's a fantastic addition to many recipes. Dill. Dill grows well indoors and has a fantastic flavor. It's best to grow dill as a single plant, giving it plenty of space to establish itself. Dill's feathery leaves are perfect for adding a fresh taste to pickles, salads, and seafood dishes. Final thoughts. Starting an indoor herb garden is a rewarding endeavor that provides fresh, flavorful herbs and enhances your home environment. Whether you're new to gardening or an experienced grower, this guide will help you cultivate a thriving indoor herb garden. With the right soil, watering, light, and containers, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of fresh herbs year-round. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care and stay well.